Having trouble with your AT&T carrier settings update on your iPhone? You're not alone. This video will explain why this happens and provide solutions. The most common reasons updates don't show include compatibility issues with your iOS version, network congestion, problems with your SIM card, or delays in Apple's push notifications. These updates are crucial for optimal network performance, VoLTE, Wi-Fi calling, and MMS, particularly on AT&T's network. According to recent surveys, about 15 to 20% of AT&T iPhone users experience this issue. Carrier settings updates are small software bundles from carriers like AT&T that allow your iPhone to work best with their network without requiring a full iOS update. They handle important settings for LTE and 5G connectivity, VoLTE for voice calls over LTE, Wi-Fi calling, and emergency alerts. For LTE and 5G, they ensure your phone uses the most efficient data speeds and network connections. VoLTE, or Voice over LTE, enables clearer voice calls using the network. Wi-Fi calling allows you to make calls over Wi-Fi networks when cellular signal is weak. They also manage emergency alerts to ensure accurate and timely notifications. Overall, these updates ensure your phone is using the most efficient settings for the network. The easiest way to check for a carrier settings update is to go to Settings, General, About, then look at the carrier version. If it's outdated, try these steps. First, toggle airplane mode on and off. If that doesn't work, reset your network settings by going to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. Note that this will delete your saved Wi-Fi passwords, so have those handy. AT&T's recommended workaround for carrier settings update issues is manual installation. As of early 2026, due to inconsistent automatic prompts, AT&T advises users to visit their support website directly. The AT&T support website provides direct download links for the latest carrier profiles. These profiles contain the necessary settings to optimize your iPhone's network performance. Once you have the profile downloaded, simply install it directly onto your iPhone. This manual process ensures you get the most current carrier settings, bypassing any automatic update delays. If manual methods haven't shown the update, first verify your network connection. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi or cellular signal can block the update prompt from appearing. Check your signal strength and try switching networks if needed. Next, confirm your iPhone's iOS software is current. Outdated iOS versions can cause compatibility problems that prevent carrier settings updates from being detected. Go to Settings and check for any available software updates. If issues continue, remove and reinsert your SIM card. This can refresh the connection and sometimes resolve detection problems. Use the provided SIM eject tool carefully to avoid damage. Ignoring carrier settings updates can have serious consequences for your AT&T service. One major risk is dropped calls, which can interrupt important conversations at the worst possible moments. Another significant issue is slower data speeds. This becomes especially problematic in 5G coverage areas where you should be experiencing fast connectivity. You may also encounter problems with sending or receiving MMS messages, making it difficult to share photos and media with others. According to recent surveys, about 18% of AT&T users have experienced issues due to outdated carrier settings. Keeping your carrier settings up to date ensures you're getting the best possible service from AT&T's network, avoiding these frustrating connectivity problems. Experts recommend checking for carrier updates regularly. According to Apple support, 70% of carrier-related issues stem from users not updating their settings promptly. AT&T statistics show that 95% of update failures are resolvable through manual methods, with only 5% requiring hardware replacement. In 2026, 18% of AT&T subscribers experienced update delays, down from 25% in 2025. Gartner predicts a 30% reduction in such issues by 2028. So stay proactive and keep your iPhone running smoothly.